Line 3 of the Panama Metro. Location: Eito, Mountain, Arraijan. Patio area and server workshops. XR performs positioning of the rolling beam in the 7-way changeover, where routine checks and maintenance of the subway cars will be carried out. XR performs maneuvers with the DEMAC AC400 crane, of 400 tons of capacity. With an extended boom of 44.10 meters and a radius of movement of 34 meters. Estimated weight of the beam 50 tons. This work is carried out under the supervision of the personnel in charge of Line 3 of the Metro, fully complying with safety standards and with the right human resources.